Hello, I'm Sadiqur Rahman. Here's the presentation of the software Task Guardian, which will help a company to keep track of distribution and return of the tasks from its employees. If we run this software, login and sign up page will appear, and you will see the name of the software, which is Task Guardian, name of the developers who has created this software. This is Tasnimul, my name Sadiqur, and Naim, and the login and sign up form. To log in, let's first create an admin for this system. You can show or hide the password ticking this box. So we have successfully signed in. Now let's log in to the admin we have created with the username Shadi and password 12345. Now let's check first if we can create another admin with the username Shadi. If we give the username Shadi and password, whatever the password is, and try to sign up, the system will say username already exists because we have created an account with the same username before. So we cannot create another admin account. We cannot sign up to another account with the same username Shadi. So let's log in to the admin account we have created. We will open another window to visualize all the functionalities. So after we have logged in from this window, this is how the dashboard of admin looks like. Now logging in as an admin, let's create a few manager and employee account. We have already created an account with the same username, so the system will not accept it. Let's give another name. username Sadiqur. This time it works fine. Now let's create an account with an employee. So we have created an account, a managerial account and an employee account. Let's see where we can find those account and information of those managers and employees. This is where in the dashboard you can see all the accounts that has been created. The first one that we created was Sadiqur Rahman and the second one is Naim Hassan. You can visit any employee or manager from here, from the dashboard of an admin. You just simply need to click on this and all the information will be visible here. Let's go back and then click on the employee we have created. So these are the informations of the employee. They're all visible. You can see the profile of any employee or any manager from the dashboard or board of an admin. And you also have the luxury of a search bar where you can search anybody working for your company. Let's say I want to search the manager named Sadiqur that I've created. So it works fine. It shows this profile. Right. Now let's go back to how we can change any information of these profiles. To do that, we just simply need to click on any of this profile and then we have these options: update account, delete account. To update any information of any of these accounts, we just need to click on update button and let's say we want to increase the salary of this manager by 5,000 and make it 35,000. It says successfully updated. So now we see the salary for the manager Sadiqur Rahman is 35,000. Let's go back to dashboard and see how we can delete an account. To delete an account, you just simply need to click this and it's done. Account deleted. If you go back to dashboard, you will not find the profile that you have deleted. Now let's see if we can log in as an employee and also as a manager. For demonstration, I have already created a few employee account and a few managerial account. We will use those credentials to see if it works fine. For manager, I set the username to do. The password was 1234. And from this window, let's log out and log in as an employee. Let's say the name of the employee is Shadi and password was for Shadi was 123. So we have logged in successfully. Now let's see how all the functionalities work in our system. So this is a managerial account and this one is an employee account. Let's first post a job. You just hit this post job button and this window will appear. That's it. So this drop down menu shows all the employees that I have created before. You choose Charlie Cole for this project and let's say you have 3 tasks. Feedback some. Click on post job. Since I have set 3 tasks for this job, so here you can see task 1, task 2 and task 3. Let's say the first task is to design our UI. The second task is content. The last one is backend. So the manager has posted a job for the employee, and if you go back to the dashboard of that employee, you will find a new task has been assigned. Now the employee can submit his task. He finds that there are 3 tasks for this job, pathology center software. Let's say she has finished the first task and now she wants to submit. UI design is finished, so she can add images. That's the proof of her work is done. This is how she submits the first task. She also can update the anything. Now the manager, if you go back to the dashboard of the manager, you will find that there is a notification that a new task has been submitted. Now the manager can view the task that has been submitted by the employee. He can check if it is fine. Okay, let's say it's fine. and now he accepts it, task accepted. It will show that 1/3 of the process, that means 33% is done. Going back to the employee profile, it will also show 33% is done. So now let's submit the second task, which is front end. Let's say the manager didn't like the work done by the employee, so he can deny it. If he denies the task is denied and it will remain 33%. Also in the profile of the employee, it will remain 33%. So let's say she again submits it after revision. This time the manager may accept it and it will show 66% both on the dashboard of manager and also employee. Let's complete this task to see how job history works. It shows 100% of this job has been done. So there is no remaining task. There is no undone task in the dashboard of the employee. This is how it works. And if this manager wants to contact with this employee regarding anything or regarding the task, he can open a chat window with any employee. In this case, the employee was Charlie, so he can open up this chat. So there's a message from the manager. She can reply. Let's check if the manager has got the reply. Yes, he has. In the job history section, we can see all the jobs that has been done to 100%, all the completed jobs. So this is the whole of the system, how it works. I've almost covered up almost everything, every functionality of this system. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video.